Hello, my name is Francisco Martinez. Today I will be presenting you with a demo of the VideoSense dashboard. The purpose of this dashboard is to facilitate the analysis of videos and allow users to locate specific frames based on situations that the users are looking for. To do this, we have created a GUI so that users are able to query the videos using graphs to represent SQL queries. In this demo, we will show the creation of streams, queries, as well as expected input and output situations that a user might experience. Let's dive in. In this video, we can see that someone places a backpack, leaves it alone, and someone else comes to grab it. In our demo, we will be looking for frames in which the backpack is by itself and when the backpack is picked up. Now let's continue to our demo. After a user has registered and logged in, they will be welcomed to this page. Here, users are able to now create. When they hover over the Create button, they will have an option to create a stream, enums, and queries. In this case, we will create a stream. For the stream, we will give it the name Stream A. We will give it 3 attributes: label of type string. We will also be able to give it a confidence score, as well as a bounding box attribute. Once we have done that, we can now save. After saving, we can now create our stream. Once we have created our stream, we will return to the home page. We can click on the streams directory, and that will show us the stream that we have created in a JSON format. Now, we would like to make a copy of this stream, so we can hover over Modify and click Copy and Rename. Here, we will rename this as Stream B. And now we will have an exact copy of Stream A. From here, we can create a query. We can hover over Create, go to Query, and begin our query creation. We can click on the nodes that we would like to use. We will start off by creating streams. Next, we will use our select operators so that we can select what rows we would like to see. In this case, we will be looking at our label. And for our example, we will be looking for a backpack. Similarly, we will also connect our select to our stream, but in this case, we will look for labels that are not matching. Now, we can connect the 2 select nodes to our join node, and that way we can have frames that appear in one stream but not in another. And lastly, we can connect our project node. This will allow us to filter through and select the labels that we are looking for. We give it a name, and generate. Once our query has been generated, we can come and see it represented as a JSON object. If modification is needed, we can hover over Modify and edit. Now that we have our JSON representation of our query, we can now click on our query that is found in the Queries folder and click Execute. Once we execute this, we will now send this to our Java server, which will convert this into an XML format and allow for parsing and extraction of frames which contain the moments that this backpack was taken. This is our MapStream dashboard, a dashboard meant to visualize queries for video analysis and extraction. We hope to see you again. Take care.